Regional Maritime Security Symposium kembali digelar bertempat di Hotel HYATT Regency SANUR. Simposium ini diikuti oleh perwakilan dan lembaga melibatkan 6 negara termasuk Indonesia di dalamnya.
Simposium diselenggarakan oleh Kantor Luar Negeri, Persemakmuran dan Pembangunan Inggris serta Kementerian Pertahanan dengan dukungan dari pemerintah Indonesia digelar selama 5 hari. 6 negara yang terlibat yaitu Inggris, Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Vietnam, dan Filipina. Dengan perwakilan dari berbagai kementerian dan lembaga. Para ahli regional di bidang-bidang spesifik hadir untuk berbagi perspektif mereka. Simposium bertujuan untuk menyediakan platform berbagai perspektif regional tentang spektrum luas tantangan keamanan maritim, serta untuk mengembangkan hubungan dan kemitraan antar lembaga dan negara, mengetahui di mana keahlian Inggris dapat mendukung wilayah tersebut di masa mendatang. Topik-topik yang termasuk di dalamnya mulai dari kekhawatiran tentang penangkapan ikan ilegal, armada paralel, dan batas maritim, hingga dampak perubahan iklim dan risiko cyber pada sektor maritim, serta peran gender dalam keamanan maritim, di mana secara keseluruhan dapat memperkuat kebutuhan keterlibatan dan kerjasama regional.
This is the third time the UK has hosted this Maritime Security Symposium, and it's an opportunity to bring together like-minded friends and partners to discuss the interesting challenges we face in the maritime security arena. These are challenges we will not be able to solve alone. And we think it's vital to engage with our friends and colleagues in the region to seek out ways of addressing these shared challenges in a collaborative and mutually beneficial way. You know, the UK is a global trading nation, and we see that there are abundant opportunities for UK growth in this region, but we don't want to do that as a benefit for the UK. We want to do that for benefit for partnerships. And we see a huge amount of opportunity under Prime Minister Starmer's growth ambitions out in this region. We want to do that collaboratively. We want to do that in a way which benefits all, not just the UK, but our friends and partners in the region as well. So there's much to be gained from collaborating this way, but also there are many challenges out there that we need to face together, be that about climate change, be that about security, and making sure that we have a free and open Indo-Pacific. We will address those challenges together through the likes of this Maritime Symposium. Well, we're delighted that HMS Bay can participate in Exercise Komodo. My predecessor 2 years ago had the opportunity to come out here and witness the exercise and saw that it's an amazing opportunity for regional collaboration to build understanding and trust between partners and friends, to make sure that we're prepared should the inevitable happen with the likes of disaster relief and focusing on safety of life at sea. So Komodo is an amazing opportunity to collaborate, to build trust and friendships, and as I said, we're delighted that HMS Bay will be able to participate in that exercise over the coming days.
Dialog rutin tentang keamanan maritim sangat penting bagi kemakmuran, perdamaian, dan stabilitas, serta bekerja sama dalam menjaga keamanan regional, menegakkan hukum internasional, menyediakan pertumbuhan dan kemakmuran, dan membangun ketahanan iklim di Indo-Pasifik yang bebas dan terbuka. Diharapkan para peserta dapat berbagi keahlian penting untuk meningkatkan pemahaman tentang ancaman dan peluang yang berkembang di Indo-Pasifik, dapat menemukan solusi bersama, dan memperkuat hubungan antar negara. Bunga Widrayani, Bali TV.